Map. It's used to soak up liquid for cleaning floor and other surface to mop up dust or for other cleaning purposes. Vacuum is to remove dirt and dust from carpet and floor made for hard work and many varieties of floor, including limited floor. Duster. It is give the counter a clean with a soap duster and wipe the table with duster to remove all the dust. Dustpan is for sweeping and used to pick up the overall dust and dirt. Broom, sweeping wall of comb-shaped and spider like a feather duster.
One, two, three.
Okay na. Okay na.
2, 3. 2, 3.